right, so over the years I've taught quite a few students how to play in 7 comfortably. So I'm going to show you the basics and what helped me a lot. So there's a lot of clinicians and very famous, awesome drummers out there where you can learn some of these techniques from. Gavin Harrison is the one that helped me the most with playing an odd time signature in general, specifically 7s, 5s, and 9s. But 7 seems to be the most common. If you cross over, even in some pop music, basic rock and roll, you'll see some 7 time signatures, and obviously in fusion and jazz. So anyway, I'm going to show you some of the basics to get you started. So as we know, 7, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that's one way we can count it. Whether it's 7, 8, or 7, 4, doesn't matter. We play in 7, or we play in 5, or we play in 6, or we play in 3, or we play in 4. It doesn't matter if it's 7, 8, or 7, 4, how it's written. So having said that, that's the most common way. So if we're playing in 7, we basically lose that 8th note. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Opposed to 4/4 tempo, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we're losing that last 8th note. So that's all fine and dandy, but it's really difficult to count 7 like that while you're playing, even when you're learning it. Hopefully we get to a point where we can feel it. So what we do is we count it like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1. So anyway, I'm gonna put on a click, and we're gonna play with that, and I'll let you hear the click for a little while, and then I'll take the click off. So what's commonly done when people first start playing 7 is they count it like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1. Which is perfectly fine. You just find the groove. So go out there, listen to some Rush, some Dream Theater, even some Sting tunes have 7 in them. Obviously, there's fusion and jazz out there where you can find 7. Money is a song that was a pop song that was in Slevin and I Slow 7. Boom, doo, doo, dum, 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 doo, dum, ba, da, dum, bum, 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 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1. So Give this a try. Think of it with that pulse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 3, 5, 6. So it's losing that last eighth note. So hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you get something out of it. If you have questions about anything, put them in the comments. And if it's something specific, I'll make a short video and get it to you, or explain something a little bit better if you need it. Have a good one. We'll talk to you later.